the Brighter Days skincare set, and this is in one of those like more higher quality boxes, I guess you would say. Again, one of those reusable ones, so you can just pop that out and reuse it. Super cute. And it comes with our All Bright Triple Acid AHA Toner. And these are the travel refillable sizes. It also comes with our All Bright C Serum, which is incredible. This is $39. What a great value. $39, and that's US, and then $51 Canadian. And if you haven't used our All Bright C Serum yet, again, I say this every time, I think it's the best one on the market. I love it. And this is a great size. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. And again, refillable, great for travel. Our AHA toner, great for pores, the appearance of dark spots, and all the skin texture. Just think of this as brightening the skin, radiance, all that good stuff. This is a great gift set for somebody that that loves skincare, the skincare junkie, or if you want to try these products, it's a great way to try them in the smaller sizes versus getting like a larger one. Anyway, this set is probably the most expensive out of our collection, and it's totally worth it. If you use Countermatch, which is our skincare line, this is the travel set. So it's only going to be limited edition. If you use the Countermatch skincare, which a lot of you do not wait to get this because it will sell out. I know that for a fact. 93 US, 124 Canadian. And if you've seen or purchased, we've done this with our Counter Time line, and then we've done it with our hair care and body care, and it comes in this same mesh bag, which is fabulous. It's so durable. You can fit a lot in here. And then they've just changed the band, which this is super cute. The Countermatch is like this gold. Anyway, fits a lot. I can go on and on of just about the makeup bag. And it comes with, and this is good for like normal combination skin. We do have a recovery sleeping cream for drier skin. If you use the serum and the toner, it's fabulous. So it comes with the foaming cleanser, which is non-drying, but it gives a little bit of that foaming feel, which makes you feel a little more squeaky clean. It's one of my favorite cleansers. My husband loves it. Comes with the serum, comes with the toner, comes with the adaptive moisture lotion, as well as the recovery sleeping cream. Super cute. I haven't taken it out, obviously. The only thing that's not refillable is the cleanser. Did I mention that already? Can't remember. But everything else is refillable, so TSA friendly, fabulous, fabulous. But again, such a great deal. Do not wait if you love Countermatch. And it's also, if you haven't tried it and you've been wanting to, it's a great way to try the line without investing in the entire line full size. This one is the Keep Cool Radiance Duo, again, in one of our gorgeous reusable boxes. Fun stuff. And this one says Glow. I like it. Okay. We'll talk about these two things in a second. But this comes, first of all, it's 86 US, 114 Canadian, and this is a full-size Radiance serum. Can't remember the price of the Radiance serum, but this is totally worth it, especially for these guys. But the Radiance serum, it has our Ret Natural complex in it, which has bakuchiol and Swiss Alpine Rose. The bakuchiol is a natural alternative to retinol products. But it's non-irritating. You can use this during the day. So it's a serum that you use underneath your moisturizer. So you can alternate between your other serums. You can already implement this into your current skincare regimen. It plays well with other brands, but of course it plays really well with Beautycounter's products because they're all formulated to work together. It really helps with overall skin's elasticity, firmness, skin texture, so dullness. It helps with the radiance. Anyway, so fabulous serum. When I really see this working is when I run out and I stop using it, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh my gosh, I see such a difference in my skin. Okay, enough about the Radiance serum. It's amazing. Okay, let's talk about these skin globes. It's a cute little bee for Beautycounter on them. You can put these in the freezer, but I think the refrigerator will be just fine. The glass is like medical grade. You really don't want to drop them, but they'll be more durable than most, but you still don't want to drop them. And they'll be fine in the freezer if you decide to put them in there, because it does have like this antifreeze alcohol mixed with water in there, safe, all that good stuff. Anyway, put it in the freezer or the refrigerator. I would suggest the refrigerator. So it helps. So you want to do this. So underneath your eyes, it feels already cold without even being chilled. And then right through here, and especially right through here. So really helps with puffiness, actually helps with product absorption. So when you go to put the serum on after this, it will help all the products go into the skin better, and it also just gets the blood flowing. So very, very good, cool stuff. I've done the ice balls, you know, that you put in your drinks. I've done that around my face because it just gets, you know, the blood circulating in your skin and notice less puffiness, but my skin just feels really good and invigorated. It just feels good. I would say that this is my favorite set, or one of my favorite sets anyway. It's the Polish Plump Facial Trio. Comes in the gorgeous pink box. It says Shine on it. And it's 3 fabulous products. It's $89 for this set, and you'll see why. And that's $89 US, $116 Canadian. And it comes with, I would say, they're travel friendly, but they're definitely not travel size. I would say, I mean, this is the full size, so that's a really good size. Really good in the glass. So this is the cleansing balm, and if you know, I can't live without this product. It is the multi-purpose. I call it the Lazy Girl Cleanser because you put it all over. It's really just delicious. It takes off all your makeup, but you can use it as a hydrating mask as well. But I also feel like it's a healing salve. So just so you know, if you know, you know. We'll talk more about that some other time, but it is fabulous. So it's a cleansing balm. Also comes with our AHA facial mask, which I like to say, this is kind of like in between microdermabrasion appointments. I get a little bit of the same feel. Obviously not as intense when you go to an esthetician, but it really does help with, like, all of a sudden your skin just looks amazing the next morning, even after washing your face, but fabulous, amazing. And then of course our brand new Mighty Plump Ceramide Water Cream. If you have not tried this yet, you need to. It helps with like plumping the skin. It's helps fill the skin. So I actually like using this right before a really nice night out. I want everything to be plump and hydrated, and it just feels like, it feels amazing. Any of these skincare sets, they're just great for if you've been wanting to try a product. So it's like an entry level size, but it's great for that person that loves skincare and you don't really know what to get them because you're like, what kind of skin type are they? Any of these are really great universally. So you're not just like, oh, it's just only for dry skin or only for oily skin. It works for all skin types, the products that are in these sets. So just wanted to throw that out there. Next set is the Goodnight Glow Duo. This is $55 US, $72 Canadian. Comes in a cute red box. And this has our overnight resurfacing body peel, as well as our overnight resurfacing peel for the face. Again, great travel size or travel friendly sizes, and try before you buy type of a thing for instead of buying the larger size, all refillable. So these lock too. Any of our pumps like this lock. I forgot to mention that on the vitamin C serum. So they lock, so they're travel friendly. But this is our overnight resurfacing peel and the body peel. It's basically the same thing for the body, for the face. And when I've used this on the body, this is such an underrated product and I don't talk about it enough, but you use it, it's definitely like a treatment. I just want you to see how pretty the bottle is. I love these colors. Helps with overall skin texture, and it really does help it, I swear, like baby bum smooth after using it. They're both very active, so you definitely, if you use this, only use it in the evening. Make sure you put your moisturizer on top of it. This goes for the one on the face. I would use it every 2 days if you're going to do it, but it's pretty active. So if you're sensitive, definitely make sure you swatch like on your inner arm. That's like usually the best place to see. And it's going to tingle, and that's totally normal. But anyway, this is such a great product. Okay, this is a set that needs no introduction. This sells out so fast every single year. This is the Good Sense Hand Cream Trio. It's in the same 3 scents as they were last year because they were just so successful. We got really great feedback. I love these. They are in earth-friendly, recyclable tin tubes. And the 3 scents that they're in is coriander and cucumber, jasmine and citrus, which is my personal favorite, bergamot and cedarwood. Again, this is one of those sets that you can break them apart, maybe gift it with one of the lip glosses or a gift card or, you know, a bottle of wine, like we've said I keep going to wine or champagne, anything. Great for stocking stuffers or to tie on to another gift. Anyway, so great, or just a gift for yourself. And I do have a wait list for this already for some of my clients that are like waiting for these. So make sure you grab a couple, one for yourself and one for your friends. Great housewarming gift too as well. These are 36 US, 47 Canadian. Don't wait on these. I promise they'll sell out. This is another one of those sets that you can break apart and gift with like the hand lotion or with the lip gloss or just by itself as a stocking stuffer or just a great housewarming gift like I've already mentioned. Anyway, this is the Triple Quench Body Butter Set. And I love that they're in limited edition scents, and the packagings, it's adorable. They're really actually very pretty. And this formulation of body butter, it's like the one from last year. So it is more hydrating, it's thick, it's luxe. I love, love, love. Look at the color. Look at the color scheme of these. So pretty, right? 68 US, 88 Canadian. This one is neroli and chamomile. So citrusy, yet soothing. So if you're getting the vibe of the sensory type of thing, which is amazing. So, and you know, with our scents, we use safer scents, and we share all the ingredients, which is a big thing. We don't hide any of the ingredients from you. This one is ginger and tonka, the tonka bean. I really like this. It's unique. And I love the packaging. This one is lavender and sage. It smells so good. I think this one's gonna be my favorite. And I don't love lavender on the regular basis, but it's not lavender heavy, if that makes sense. And you know, sage on its own can be a little off-putting sometimes, but I don't know, for whatever reason, it's a great combo. And again, the body butter, look, thick, thick. See, it's the test. Okay, are you still with me here? Are you still with me? We only have 2 more sets, and you know I'm saving that new category for last. So it's exciting. I'm really excited about it. So this set is the Sugar and Silk Body Set. Gorgeous full size, beautiful, beautiful box. And it says fresh. 89 US, 116 Canadian. And it's the full size Sugar buff body polish, but it's in a limited scent, which is the rose water, which it does not smell like your typical old school rose smell. It's very, very clean smelling. It's just like the clean rose deodorant smell. It's lovely. I love the smell and I love the packaging, but it's very soft. It smells very luxe. It smells very, I would like to say, expensive. I just love this feeling. So this is such a great gift. It's such a splurge, but it's for that person that probably has everything, but they deserve a little more than just like a lip gloss. So yes, this is a beautiful luxe gift. Anybody that likes a little self-care or maybe needs a little self-care needs this. So I saved this for last because I'm really excited. So before I found clean beauty, and I've been in the beauty industry for 30 years, for those of you that don't know, been a makeup artist for over 30 years, but I've been in the beauty industry for 30 years, been working in clean beauty for 8 years now. It's crazy. And when I first started to understand like the lack of regulation with beauty products and fragrances and things like that, I didn't understand that there was a lack of regulation. Basically, the Wild West, you can put whatever in these products and we don't know how harmful they can be for humans. So anyway, the one thing I used to have was a ton of fragrances, fine fragrances. And I'm too embarrassed to tell you how many I had. And for those of you that have watched my previous videos, you know the number. Anyway, it's fragrance. Beautycounter has come out with fragrance. And this is just the beginning. These are a sampler pack of 2. I know we'll be launching more in the new year in 24. So this is a great stepping stone. But what's interesting that a lot of people don't understand in the fragrance industry or in the beauty industry, fragrance, not just fragrance alone, but the ingredient fragrance, companies do not have to disclose what's underneath that fragrance ingredient. So it can say fragrance and there could be 100 and some odd whatever ingredients in there that's not listed. So that's the thing about fragrance. And if you've worn fragrance or if you've been around somebody that's worn a lot of fragrance or walked into an elevator and somebody has fragrance and you like start having issues and allergy stuff, you're gonna, you know what I'm saying. You might be allergic to something, but will you ever know what it is, right? So with Beautycounter, you know, our testing and our safety testing, we just go above and beyond. And so, yeah, we disclose all the ingredients under our fragrance. So you're not going to be like, what's in here? We're going to list every single thing. And I love that about them. And then we do, you know, the way we safety test everything, we have a 23-point safety check, and that's like according to Beautycounter safety requirements in order for a product to be passed through. It's why they've taken so long to develop a fragrance, but you're not going to be disappointed at all. And we worked with a fine fragrance house to help us create this so they're complex. They don't smell like other fragrances. You're like, oh, that smells like, you know, so-and-so and whatever fragrance. No, you're not going to get that. It's very, very unique and different and complex. It's cute. So it comes with the 2 fragrances right here. It comes in Sunspill and Miles Away. So Sunspill is like an uplifting floral. It's just lovely. I'll have to read you the note. The top is grapefruit and neroli. The middle, rose petals, jasmine, and coriander. And then rose, or the base is vetiver and cedarwood. So see, that's what I like. I like a little bit of that mix. So it's not just super florally. It has that woodsy little base to it. So anyway, super cute. They're roller balls. And I usually like a spray, and I think what they're going to do is have a spray launch them in 2024. Because I like spraying it on my clothes, but with Beautycounter, because I trust their safety, you know, testing and all of that, I'm really confident in wearing it directly on my skin. But if you don't, you know, like to do that and you want more of a subtle thing, sometimes I'll just put it like on my hand, my palm of my hand, and I'll do this, and I'll just kind of, you know what I mean, like that, versus necessarily having my skin. Then I'll wash my hands if I don't really want it directly on my skin, if that makes sense, even though you just absorb probably a little bit of it. And then Miles Away, it's a woodsy and a restorative herbal green. I like them both. I like them both a lot. So this one, the top note is lemon and bergamot, and then the middle is chamomile, jasmine, and juniper berry, and the base is cedarwood, sandalwood, and vetiver. So I feel like this could be definitely a cross between, it's very androgynous. So I feel like this can go with anybody. Like you don't have to just be female to wear it, you know, or however you identify. So I just am super excited about Beautycounter Holiday. I hope you are as well. You know how to do it. Just reach out to me if you have any questions. If you don't already have a Beautycounter consultant, I would love to help you. As you know, or if you don't know, I am a makeup artist as well. I do a lot of virtual appointments. I have a lot of clients online that I work with virtually. So, you know, I'm here to help. And yeah, just reach out. And if you like this content, definitely subscribe, but reach out with any questions. I'd love to help you. And here's to an amazing, amazing holiday fall season. I just wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.